Now welcome to your beautiful home.
MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a well-appointed 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a nurturing community in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. So here are views of this well-designed home, and join us as we begin this property tour.
Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty and welcome to our latest open house tour for a beautifully designed 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. So right now we're gonna tour you through this gorgeous home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features.
Beginning with the property size, it has a spacious lot area of 551 square meters and a floor area of approximately 700 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a 6-car garage, a private swimming pool, a relaxing patio lanai area, a second-floor family hallway, a modular kitchen, an auxiliary kitchen, a CCTV system, a provision for an elevator, automated gates, and maid's quarters, and all in a secure and nurturing community near major commercial centers in Ayala, Alabang. Now let's begin the tour.
Let's go! Upon entering the home, you have this grand entrance leading to a beautiful doorway with spacious parking for 2 cars on one side and 4 cars on the other. The massive wooden door gives a grand but welcoming atmosphere upon entering the house. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the home, you're welcomed by a wide hallway with a beautiful wooden ceiling with LED lights and a unique accent wall leading to your grand living space.
The main living room has a clean, bright, and relaxing ambiance.
The wooden ceiling extends all the way from the hallway to the main living space. And you have more than enough space here for 2 living room sets. You can even have a grand piano over here. And it has a very welcoming, warm, and comfortable atmosphere. On top of that, it's designed with a lot of natural light because almost 1/2 of the room is covered by windows with access leading to the dining space and an outdoor patio entertainment area and a swimming pool. Let's take a look. This is a fantastic space for family gatherings and parties because it even has a rock garden landscape area here which leads to the front of the house with these beautiful bamboo plants. So it's very well ventilated. And it even has this well-designed mini bar entertainment area with its own sink. And it's quite spacious, leading as well to an outdoor bathroom which can also serve as a powder room for your guests. From here, let's take a look at your swimming pool area.
The pool area is designed to be a quiet and private recreational space for your home.
This area is designed around the swimming pool with a very open feel leading to the entertainment and lanai area. You can see that the glass ceiling gives it a very open feel, but at the same time maximizes the living space here. So you can actually put a small table and a couple of chairs over here. And it gives you great access through this sliding door leading to your main kitchen. On another important note, the surface here is slip resistant and it allows the water to seep through to the ground because that's very important, especially if you have a lot of kids running around, if you have parties or family gatherings here. So it's safer than a lot of other surfaces. And here you have this wall of plants which actually has a water source from the top. So I'd call it a rainforest feature. So you'll have water running all the way down. And it creates a very calm and harmonious atmosphere while you're enjoying the pool. From your swimming pool, you can head on up and go straight to your main kitchen and dining space for breakfast or dinner. This is your formal dining space, which is very well designed. From this wall, it could have been just a blank cement wall, but the designers chose to make it a glass wall so that the wooden accent wall on the outside could be seen to give the room more character. And from here, you can have a large dining table, and you have sliding doors, which opens up to your living space. And it's so well lit because of these windows, which gives you a great view of your swimming pool area. And just to add, the front of the home is facing southwest. So the back of the home is facing east. So this is actually a morning sun room. So it's a great atmosphere when you're having breakfast here. You can have a couple of stools here in this center island countertop of the main kitchen. In the afternoon, it's quite cool if you want to take a dip. The main show kitchen is very well designed with beautiful cabinetry. You even have a built-in stove over here and range hood, and you already have your microwave and oven over here and a big space here for a refrigerator. And from here, it leads to your auxiliary kitchen. Let's now head on over to the living space and to the first bedroom. The living area sliding doors give it a very integrated and open feel with the dining and lanai area. And let me show you a very cool feature. Upon entering the home, you have this wide hallway with this accent wall. As not to break the design, the door of the first bedroom was built into it. So it's quite spacious. You can use this as a guest room. It already has this console cabinet, and you can have a television set over here, and it's very well lit, and it's quite cool even in the afternoons, and it has its own bathroom. From the first bedroom, you'll see here a beautiful staircase with narrow wood planks. You even have a rock garden design feature over here. And you have a door here leading to the auxiliary kitchen. Now let's take a look at the second floor. You have this beautiful modern chandelier here leading to the second level. and you're welcomed by a spacious family hallway. The family hallway is a great hub for the second floor because it allows all the 4 bedrooms to come together here in a living space. So you can have a great living room set over here, and you have this accent wall which can house a large widescreen TV, and it also has a lot of natural light coming from the east side. So this is morning sun facing. And on top of that, you even already have a CCTV system. And from here, let's now take a look at your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is massive, such that it also has cove lighting which divides the room into 2 areas. So you have this area here for the bedroom. You have more than enough space here for a large study desk and a king-sized bed. And here, you have space here for another living area where you can have a widescreen TV over here and an entire living room set. And just to add, you also have a great vantage point here of your swimming pool. And now let's take a look at your master bathroom. Your master bathroom has so many features, starting with this beautiful vanity mirror with a ring light. You have this granite countertop over here and a large dual vanity, dual sink area with a large mirror. And from here, you have a beautiful bathtub leading to a private shower area. And of course, you have your spacious master walk-in closet. Let's now take a look at the third bedroom. Another great note for this property is that all of the bedrooms in the second level are corner rooms. With the first 2 rooms that we've shown, this room and the master bedroom facing the east side of the property, and the 4th and 5th bedrooms facing the southwest side of the property. So you can see it's very well lit with a high ceiling, with a split type air conditioning unit. You already have a study desk area. You already have beautiful customized cabinetry, more than enough space for a lot of appliances due to the outlets, and you also have your own bathroom. Let's now head on over to the 4th and 5th bedrooms. I'd like you to notice the wide hallway leading to the last 2 bedrooms. It gives you a great vantage point as well, coming from those rooms towards the family hallway and the staircase. So it's a very warm atmosphere here. The 4th bedroom is facing the southwest side of the property, and even though the afternoon sun is here, you can see that the windows were designed such that the sunlight only streams to half of the room, while the remaining half of the room, this side, is quite cool. And from here, you also have custom cabinetry, the study table as well, and your own bathroom. Before we head to the 5th bedroom, I'd like to show you one of the other great features of this property, which is a huge provision for an elevator. So this room right now is just a room that you can use for storage, but you can see that in the future, if you'd like, you can easily fit a large elevator here, and it leads all the way downstairs right beside the main hallway. You can even use this as a additional laundry area because it has the proper plumbing. Okay, and now let's head on over to the fifth bedroom. The fifth bedroom is once again a corner room, but it has another great feature. Since it's facing the street in front of the house, you also want to consider privacy. So the design of the home put these wooden accents which are dual purpose. First for privacy, second for blocking the sunlight in the afternoon. So that's just good design for you. And from here, you have custom cabinetry, a lot of natural light coming from 3 windows, and you already have a split type air conditioning unit and your own bathroom. Thank you for joining us in this quick property tour video for this beautifully designed house and lot for sale in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. Now check out the next segment for important reminders for home buyers. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this beautifully designed 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to know more about our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button and that little bell button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Once again, my name is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this modern and elegant 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.